Hey there, welcome. I'm excited to help you learn how to create your very own affiliate website. Are you ready to get started?
Absolutely, I've been really interested in affiliate marketing and having my own website. Where should I begin?
Fantastic. The first step is to choose a niche. Think about something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. What are your interests?
Well, I love fitness and wellness.
Great choice. Now, look for reputable affiliate programs related to fitness and wellness. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are good places to start. These programs offer products you can promote for commissions. Have you heard of them?
Yes, I've heard of Amazon Associates. I'll check out the others too.
Perfect. Once you've decided on a niche in affiliate programs, it's time to pick a domain name that represents your website. Have any ideas?
I'm thinking something like fitlifeguides.com.
Love it. Now you'll need a web hosting provider. Look into Bluehost or SiteGround. They're beginner-friendly. Ready to move on?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, now install WordPress as your content management system. It's user-friendly and most hosting providers offer easy installation. Have you used WordPress before?
I've heard of it, but haven't used it. I'll give it a shot.
Excellent. With WordPress set up, let's focus on design. Choose a theme from the WordPress repository that's related to fitness and wellness. Make sure it's mobile-friendly. Any preferences?
I'll look for something clean and easy to navigate.
Perfect. Now comes the fun part. Creating content. Start with articles on workout routines, healthy recipes, and wellness tips. Your goal is to provide value. How does that sound?
That sounds like a plan. I'll start drafting some articles.
Awesome! As you create content, strategically add your affiliate links where they make sense. Remember, it's about helping your audience find the right products. Have you thought about your first piece of content?
I'm thinking of writing a beginner's guide to home workouts.
That's a fantastic idea. Now, let's not forget about SEO. Focus on optimizing your content so it ranks higher on search engines. Have you heard of SEO before?
I have, but I'll need to learn more about it.
No worries, we'll cover that too. Lastly, promote your website using social media, email marketing, and other strategies to attract visitors. Building an audience takes time, so be patient. Ready for the next step?
Absolutely, I'm excited to start promoting my website.
Awesome! And remember, keep an eye on your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics. It'll help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Sound good?
Sounds great. Thanks for guiding me through this process.
You're welcome. Creating your affiliate website will take effort, but with dedication and valuable content, you'll be on your way to success. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to ask. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your website grow.
Thanks so much. I really appreciate your help. Time to get started on my affiliate journey.
And also don't forget to subscribe this Growth Guru family for more valuable conversation.